Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing Session. Here we are going to see a term Future Reality Tree. Future Reality Tree or FRT, as its name suggests, is a tree that allows you to visualize the future state. It answers the question towards what changes or change for what. A future reality tree is a logical structure that enables a person to construct a solution which, when implemented, eliminate the existing undesirable effect by desirable effect without creating devastating new ones. In other words, the tree presents a sequence of cause and effect relationship that links proposed injection to the desired effects. The structure of FRT is similar to the current reality tree but differs from the later by proposing action, policies and behavioral changes injected into the current state to lead to the future state. To build a CRT, start with a set of undesirable effects and build down to a core driver from which we invent solutions, also called as injection. To build a FRT, start with a potential solution and build upwards to a desirable effect. How to create a future reality tree? The low-level causes or the root causes identified in the CRT strongly influence the entire tree structure of effects linked to them. Thus, any change aimed at correcting a cause of undesirable effect will propagate its effect upwards. This is achieved by combining the real causes with the injection, which are entities or action or condition which do not yet exist but which are necessary to correct the current state to transform it into a future state. An FRT is built from bottom up while CRT is described from the top down to the root cause. At the top of the FRT or the desirable effects, which are most often the negations for the UDI. An FRT shows exactly how a solution will eliminate UDEs and bring the desired effect. Thanks for watching. Bye.